As a content creator, you may be required to take a screenshot of a process step and add it to documentation, but you want to clean it up a little bit. Well, SnagIt is a great tool that can help you with that. Let me show you some of my favorite features in SnagIt. So I'm in SnagIt and I need to take a capture of my screen, and you can actually use, this feature or a shortcut key. Let me pull up my screen, and I like to use the keyboard print screen. My section is highlighted, and there it is. So there's a couple of things. I want to clean it up. I want to remove this area from the toolbar. I forgot and left the left navigation on, so I want to remove this as well. And we're going to do some other things. So the first thing I want to do is remove this content. Let's click on the More options. Click on Selection. Highlight it. Make sure in the properties that the autofill is selected and hit the delete key. Same thing here. We're going to highlight our area. Autofill is already selected and hit delete. Okay, that's good. The next thing that I may want to do is see this ribbon. Maybe I want to take the ribbon and move it over to the right a little bit because there's some empty space here. Let's go ahead and highlight this. And I'm using the selection feature. Let's make sure this is lined up properly. Okay, that looks good. And let's just move it over. So now I have all this extra space here. How can we get rid of that? Let's use the cutout feature. Click on More, Cutout. I've already have it selected for vertical. Hit delete. I like to click on the move button so I won't accidentally cut something. Now here in the yellow area, I want this to be the same color as the rest of my screen. Let's go ahead and highlight that. Let's use the selection key again. We're going to highlight that area. Click on the Fill button and let's choose our color. And now we can replace that color. So simple and easy. If you're interested in upgrading to SnagIt 2024 or purchasing SnagIt, the link is in the description. The last thing that I want to do is hide some of the email, addresses as well as the subject line. We have a couple methods we can use. We can use the simplify, auto simplify. If we turn this on, it will take care of it, all of that. If you're not, happy with these colors, you can drop down. You can choose or add your own color palette if you like, but you can easily just click on this. We'll make that change. What if you want to do this manually? Let's say I want to change this color into this blue here. I'm going to take it and highlight it. And let's replace this content. So that's looking pretty good already. Let's say that down here at the bottom, I don't need all this extra space. I'm just going to pull this up. And I have a document that I'm happy with. So let's share it directly into a Microsoft Word document. Click on the share link on the drop down. Choose Microsoft Word. Or if you wanted to put this in PowerPoint, you could add this to PowerPoint as well. And here's your document. Now, go work your magic.